we navuze ngo birahagije muri cyaro namwe mwintonganira imbere.
Okay, what happened has happened.
Ibyabaye byabaye.
I don't want to hear one more word about this issue.
Sinshaka kugira amagambo no kuri iki kibazo.
Okay.
Cyumwihariko avuye muri we Alex.
You hear me?
Wanyumvishe utaravumvura.
Fine with me.
Ntacyo bintwaye. Fine with me. Ntari.
Okay.
So.
Rio. Since you went to his house, you know his address then.
Nimba aragiye wabuguza hatuye sibyo? Yego. Okay. Hakuno muzehe.
There, Chief, we got his address.
Aderese yiwe twamenye kwa Yamani. Kwa Yampano aderese twayimenya hatuye.
His name is Yaman.
Izina ryo bamwita Yampano. Yamani. Bamwita Yamani. Bamwita Yamani. Kumbe hakuno wabo wa Yamani. Birere mu gahinda ntibanazi ibyo muvandimwe wabo yakoze. Bari kumuhamagara ntabwo ari kwitaba phone.
Bad happened.
Wasanga ari ikintu kibi cyabaye.
Girl, don't worry just yet. He'll be here soon enough.
Akanya kari ko kose araba ari hano humura.
There's morning already.
Kandi bwamaze kwira. Yako bwakeye.
I told
you. Ryose yarayiruka dore bigeze mu gitondo.
Stop.
Namubwenga arekeraho yanga guhakana.
Don't lie to him.
You should have lied.
Wagira ngo mubeshye.
Never
wari kumubeshya ntabwo byari kuba byagenze gutya twari twarabyashire byararangiye. Ngaho rero.
If something happens to Yaman.
Wasanga ari ikintu cyabaye kuri Yaman. Ijuru ryose yarayiruka bumukereyo.
Where are you going?
Ugiye he?
If they hurt Yemen, I swear I'll go burn that place. They don't have to.
Ndamuka numvishije amakuru ya Yaman bari arajiga ndajya kubareka.
Talking nonsense and sit down there.
Chaswariya naho ukabanya ubugorya aho ngaho uri kuvuga.
Oh Alice, what else can I do? What do you want from me?
Bundi umwe urashaka iki?
I wish I had swallowed my tongue so I couldn't talk, so I could be a mute.
Bundi ubonye niyo bikiragi. Simbashe no kuvuga iyo banca n'ururimi byibura.